Hi everyone! Happy Dragon Boat Festival! 端午节快乐! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful look inspired by this traditional holiday. Let's start with a clean face. Today, I'm using a foam cleansing mousse enriched with green tea to gently clean my pores and eliminate excess sebum. After lathering up, rinse off the foam thoroughly and follow up with a toner to clarify and brighten your skin. I'm using an alcohol-free toner which helps to prevent overdrying of the face while still maintaining a refreshed look. Next, I'm going to moisturize with AVEENO's Daily Moisturizer that doubles as a sunscreen. Since the Dragon Boat Festival takes place near the summer solstice, applying a good sunscreen is very important to help prevent skin damage. Now it's time for some coverage. Instead of a traditional foundation, today I'll be using a color-changing CC cream. I like to dot the CC cream all over my face before blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Make sure your application is even, and let's move on to concealer. I'm using my ring finger to gently cover up my dark circles, as well as to hide any redness or blemishes on my face. Now that we have the base, it's time for the eyebrows. Because today's look will be very focused on the eyes, we don't want to go with a brow that is too strong, so I'm just going to fill in my brows with a powder that's a couple of shades lighter than my natural brow color for a softer look. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. Let's start off with a nice light pink color all over the lids, just so that the next colors I'll be using will really show up. Make sure to apply evenly with a brush or with your fingers, which work just as well. And add a little bit under your eyes too. We're going to add a deep red eyeshadow, slightly maroon in color, to the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to extend the red eyeshadow a little bit under the eyes for a more continuous look. If you'd like to go for a deeper red, just load on some more color, starting from the outer corner again and blending it inwards through the crease. Blend it into your crease really well so it doesn't look like you have a black eye. In the Chinese culture, red is a color of good fortune and prosperity, and is a color often worn on wedding days and holidays. Make sure to get to both eyes so you don't end up looking like the Fire Lord Zuko, unless that's what you're going for. Next, using a bright yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this to the center of my lids and blend this out so that the red and yellow look continuous. In Chinese culture, the color yellow is representative of freedom from material goods and is symbolic of royalty and heroism. Since the previous two colors were both matte, I'm going to take a gold glitter eyeshadow and apply that to the center of my lid, focusing on where I initially loaded up the yellow color. The color gold represents wealth and prosperity, so I'm going to dab a bit more of that on the inner corners of my eyes. With the red, yellow, and gold, we've got the dragon down. Let's mimic the water that the dragon boats travel on by adding a dark blue eyeshadow by the lower lash line, staying as close to the lash line as possible. I'm going to extend this color upwards from the outer corner to create a faux cat eye shape. Next, to brighten up that blue color a little bit more, I'm going to take a light blue glittery eyeliner to go over the shape that I just drew, and add some of that blue eyeliner to your lower waterline as well. This will really bring a pop to your eyes. Let's move on to the lashes. Curl your lashes from the root to the tip to create an even curve, and make sure to be careful not to squeeze your eyelid. Next, I'm going to apply generous coats of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Alright, now moving on to the lips. Since we want the eyeshadow to be the focus of our face, I'm going to apply concealer to cover up the natural color of my lips. Then I'm going to add a touch of pink by using a moisturizing lipstick and dabbing that all over my lips. I'm going to go for a 2-for-1 here. We're going to take the same color lipstick and dab that on our cheeks to create a blush. Blend that out really well with your fingers. Last but not least, we're going to take a finishing powder to set our makeup and ensure a flawless finish. I'm going to apply this powder with a brush to my entire face, focusing on my T-zone. And voila! We've completed a beautiful Dragon Boat Festival inspired look with our red and gold eyeshadow over our beautiful stream of deep blue eyeliner. And here's the backstory of the Dragon Boat Festival if you guys are curious. 端午节 originated in order to commemorate the legacy of a famous Chinese poet who drowned himself in the Miluo River. Legend has it that villagers who greatly respected him raced out to the river to save him, or at least to find his body. The search continues to this day with the tradition of dragon boat racing. This look, inspired by the Dragon Boat Festival, has the perfect combination of tradition and history, and you'll find that this natural lip is a great choice for eating zongzi, the sticky rice that villagers actually threw into the water to prevent fish from consuming the poet's body. If you like this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, comment down below what look you'd like to see next, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon for notifications. That's a wrap, everyone! Thank you for staying tuned, and happy Dragon Boat Festival!